for me at that point, when I was doing high ticket sales, I was making really good money. It wasn't really about, oh, I need to make more money. It was really more about the time freedom and making the same type of money, but not being glued to a chair like 60 to 70 hours per week.
Did you, when you first started, did you imagine that KDP would be able to give you that type of time freedom while still maintaining a really, really solid income level?
Yeah, because I mean that's really what we were promoting, right? And I had full faith
Okay.
in what we were doing. So I knew that that was within reach. I mean, obviously when I published the first book, it was doing, probably like 5 months in, we were doing maybe like $1,000 profit, 1,500, 2K royalties. So I knew
Hmm.
that it wasn't gonna, well, at that time, I didn't think that one book was gonna do it. So I kind of understood, hey, I probably need, 10, 15, 20 books to really hit the same level of income. And actually, even that would have been a little bit less, but to hit that same type of income. But I did see the how passive it was because I, hired an ads agency. I didn't I didn't want to learn how to do ads. I didn't want to learn how to do anything. Basically, I just wanted to like create books that sell and just let the system work. Right. I knew it was possible. I just didn't know it was possible to do it that quickly. Because I didn't really think that a book could make that much money.
How quick are we talking about from when you first published to when you're like, oh, wow, this is working way better than I thought? How long was that process?
I would say that there's two phases. There's the,
Hmm.
hey, I published a book and it's profitable, and I was like, oh, okay, this really works, which was a couple of months. But knowing that to get to 6 figures essentially, I would likely have to publish many, many, many more books. And
Hmm.
then the year afterwards, I launched on TikTok Shop in February of 2025. One of my first videos went viral, and all of a sudden I'm seeing really big days on KDP as well. I was like, oh, dang, like you can do this essentially with one book with good enough marketing. So that was kind of like the wow, I think maybe I can do this full time moment.